to set up your digital systems and tools, okay, online office, where the lead generation starts happening on its own, organic leads. It will happen only when you have strategized it. It will just not happen because you created your online office. So it is a digital factory setup. The production, see, if you want to make these water bottles, right? The product is water bottle, but you will have to set up a factory first. Just by setting up the factory, the bottles will not come on its own, right? For this production to happen, this product to come out, there is something you will have to do. The factory setup, right? The problem is, and most of the people don't see online systems and tools as the digital factory. They see it as an expense. They see it as a spend. So if you're not setting the factory, how will the production happen? And even if you have the factory, to set the production in motion, in momentum, you will need to give certain raw materials, certain input, certain processes. Your influence building on your channel, YouTube channel, or your blog or your podcast becomes that input to generate leads organically. But that era of generating leads organically is over. Right now, you have to have a mix of organic as well as paid campaigns. If you really want to build a serious knowledge business model and earn some decent money, say 3 lakhs per month kind of minimum. Would 3 lakhs per month mean something to you? Is it too less for you? Is it too much for you? I'm expecting your responses in the chat box. Would 3 lakhs per month solve a lot of problems in your life? I will take all your questions later. Hold on to your questions. I'm not looking at the chat. Sorry, I'm in a flow. So hold on to your questions kindly, or put it in the Q&A box or in the Excel, the sheet that I have given you, because then I see some interesting stuff coming there, and I would like to respond to that. So kindly put your questions in there, right? Right. It will help. Indra says help. Praveen, yes. Sukumar says it will be a great comfort, right? And I'm telling you, it is. I will show the numbers also. It's very easy, provided you do it right. Otherwise, it is very difficult. The most difficult thing, right? I have learned after spending lakhs and lakhs of money, 4 years, failing, learning, still being on the track, taking actions, right? So the language of the digital world. So what is the digital puzzle in the internet age? There are 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. Okay. So your website, which I don't like to call website, it's your online office, the content that you put online, okay, on your blog, on your emails, on your videos, on your podcast, what is the content that is going? It should be relevant content, because content is not king, relevant content is king. Both of us can still be talking to each other in one, I'm in Hindi, you are in Tamil, right? But there is no communication. Communication is happening, no conversation is happening, right? So that content should be right. It should attract your target audience. You should get the attention. Why are you doing this communication? So that your target audience gets attracted towards your offering, because your products or services is meant to solve their problems. So what is the content on your website, blogs, videos? What is the communication you are doing with them through your ads, through your emails, through your shares? What is the social media you should be present on? Everywhere or nowhere, or only on one specific platform where your target audience are? The dynamics of your target audience. Should you be on Twitter or Instagram or YouTube or Snapchat or LinkedIn or Facebook? Where should you be? Where should you focus your time and energy and attention on? Or on the learning management platform, Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, where should you be there? What kind of automations? Because single-handedly you cannot run this business. You need support of digital systems, and to look at the way the whole industry is shaping up, because education industry is the most disrupted industry because of COVID. So there's a huge opportunity right now, because a lot of tools are developing in that space. See, during World War II, the most inventions happened during World Wars. The crisis time are opportunity time. Crisis times are creation times, right? So lot of development is happening for all teacher, trainer, coaches, consultant. Everywhere you see that Academy, Upgrade, all these platforms are coming up. Different types of learning management systems are coming up. Udemy has grown exponentially. in the last 2 years, right? And then you need certain marketing funnels, okay, for lead generation. You need a funnel for how will you generate leads, how will you capture them, and how will you engage with them. All these are possible with the help of automation and right marketing funnels. This is the era of funnel system. I'm not going to explain what is funnel system here, okay. And then generating leads via campaigns. Your offline prints are now called campaigns in the online world. Specific campaigns for specific programs, specific outcomes that you want. And then it is not about simply doing something. Okay, you have to measure analytics, because only when you measure and monitor, then only you grow. So analytics is having to, where are you getting your leads from? Emails or YouTube videos or blogs? Are your SMSs converting? Are your WhatsApp, where people are, your target audience is responding to you where? So there are tools which help you do the necessary analytics. So analytics become a very important thing, so that if you made 2 Facebook campaigns, if one campaign is giving you 300 for a 99 rupees program, it is giving you cost per lead less, and the other campaign is giving you more cost per lead, you close that campaign and put more budgets in the campaign which is working well for you. In the offline world, if you made 2 different prints, you can't do anything, that cost is gone. But in the online world, you can, there is so much of agility. Simply stop what's not working and scale what's working. Right? So now the question is, most of the people don't know what are these 8 pieces of the puzzle and which piece should fit where. That is why digital strategies, more than tools, strategies as an entrepreneur. If you are, you can be in this, if you are a digital marketing agency, then you need to know the tools and become expert of tools. But if you are an entrepreneur, you need strategies more than tools, right? So which piece fits where is very important. And how many pieces of the puzzle do you have right now? Type in the chat box. How many pieces of this complete digital puzzle you have right now? Most people do not even have website. If they have website, the content is not right. If the content is anyways not right, the communication is all about me. Whether your target audience needs your products or services or not, there is simply, I am offering 30% discount, buy this product. I have this. In LinkedIn also, people simply, they don't even assess the need. They simply send, that we are from this company, and we provide marketing solution, and these are they completely list their features. I simply go and block them, because they are not even assessing what is my need. They're simply pushing what they have to offer with their communication. Wrong communication is not going to work anymore, right? Social media, we are so confused which social media we should be on. Everywhere. Yes, Lokesh is facing the problem. This is the root cause of the problem. These are the unspoken business truth. Nobody shares this. I believe in giving you the entire clear roadmap and picture, so that setting expectations right, you know what you can expect on this journey, and find out the root cause. Because the moment you fix the root cause, the effects automatically get fixed. Do you agree that the moment you fix the root cause, the effects automatically get fixed? So how many pieces of this puzzle you have and what you need? I hope you have gathered that from this slide, right?